Good morning. I am very hungry. Good morning. I am very hungry. I go to the kitchen now. I go to the kitchen now. I open the fridge and take eggs. I open the fridge and take eggs. I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. I crack 2 eggs into the bowl. I crack 2 eggs into the bowl. I cook the eggs in the pan. I cook the eggs in the pan. I make hot coffee for breakfast. I make hot coffee for breakfast. The breakfast smells very good. The breakfast smells very good. I sit at the table and eat. I sit at the table and eat. Breakfast is ready. I feel happy. Breakfast is ready. I feel happy.